Hello teacher, my name is Christopher Daniel and this is my evidence 3. The object that I chose to make this video is the water heater or boiler, how we call it. And I chose it because it's something that many of us use daily in our lives, and based on questions that I asked to friends and some classmates, I noticed that not many know how to turn on their own boiler at this age. So I think that is something that is essential to our daily life, because it's something that we use too much. So the goal of this video is to teach them how to turn on their own water heater in a safe way, because it could be kind of dangerous. Starting with the video, we begin by knowing what we are going to learn today. What I will teach you next will be how to turn on your own water heater or boiler, as you like to call it, without resulting in any accident or worse. For this reason, I will also give you some recommendations that must be taken into account before doing this. Recommendations and warnings. The first one, and everything we do will depend on it. It will be that we verify that there is a flow of gas, which is the fuel we are going to use to light our heater. As first step, as I said in the recommendations, we're gonna make sure that we have a gas flow, and for prove that or check that all is okay, I'm going to use my stove. In this case, if we open this, we can hear the gas, and with that we're sure. Once we have verified that we have a gas flow, we must make sure that we do not have any type of leak in the hoses or the heater itself. The next thing we need to do is check that we don't have some gas leaks. So for that we're going to use some water with a kind of soap. It can work the soap that we use for clean the dishes, and we just need to put some in here where the gas flows. And if there are any kind of bubbles, that means that we don't have any gas leak. Then before starting the ignition process, in case of it is a manual heater, we must maintain a safe distance between the heater and us. Well, now here we have the water heater, so we're going to use these two buttons, and we're going to turn this thing into where it says pilot. That means that this is gonna be ready for generating a spark. So this button right here is used to leave the gas flow. So what we're gonna need to do is keep pressing this one, while at the same time we press this. This is gonna generate a little spark, and we can see it in the hole that is right here. We can to keep a distance because it is flowing gas right now. So then we turn completely when we have already the spark and we can see a little flame, then we're gonna turn this completely until we listen that the flame blows up. When we do that, we can see that there is a giant flame in there, and that means that our heater is ready to work. Lastly, once it is already lit, what we will have to take into account and be aware of it is that the heater flame does not go out, to avoid a massive gas leak. Well, that will be all from me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have found it functional and to your liking.